Good morning, everybody. Brandon and Renee with Burns Lawn Care.
Good morning, guys. Oh,
all right, let's start that over.
Yeah, I guess so. I couldn't be serious at that point after listening to you.
Good morning, everybody. Brandon and Renee with Burns Lawn Care.
Good morning, guys.
We're going to do some mowing today. Feels good to be out there actually mowing something. A lot of our yards are dormant already. We've had no rain here in Massachusetts. It's been hot and dry. So we're thankful to be mowing something today, so we're going to take you along with us. Let's get some work done. First lawn of the day is this one here. We're gonna cut this one. I'm gonna cut it tall, probably 3 3/4 inches. We'll see what that looks like. The yard has a lot of weeds in it, so we'll see what happens, but I'm gonna try to save it and keep it green as long as I possibly can. Luckily, this yard is protected with a good amount of shade, so it stays somewhat green. Yeah, why not? I'm gonna cut this lawn with this bad boy right here. We're gonna have to be doing some repairs on this one soon. I think I got a starter going down in this thing. Sometimes I gotta tap it. I gotta tap the starter with a hammer to get it going. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, honey, I need your assistance.
With what?
I gotta tap the starter while you turn the key on. I was just telling our viewers how the starter is sometimes temperamental. We'll use this shovel today. Oh, no, we won't use that. Maybe it'll work. Let's see if I can get this on camera here. So I'm gonna tap the starter. I'm just gonna have you hold the key on. And I'm not gonna be able to use this shovel here. I gotta use something narrower. Okay, let's try this. Brand new mower, less than $500 on it. Starter's going out. Gotta love it.
I think there was grass stuck in there and caused it to get too hot.
So here's the starter right here. I'm gonna tap it, and Renee's gonna hold the key on, and it should spin the motor over.
We have some feathers here.
You wanna hold the key on, please? Choke it.
Should have already been up. Go ahead.
No, hold the key on. Yeah, we'll be replacing that starter soon. I'm having to do that more and more frequently now, so I was kind of hoping that maybe the starter just had like a bad coil on it or something, or a bad spot on it, and I wouldn't hit that spot anymore when I shut it off, but apparently it's gonna need a starter. I'm hoping that maybe the starter's under warranty. We'll see. The mower has 429 hours on it.
I just thought of something.
What?
Follow me. We have put our trailer that needs some repair. We had a brace or something let go, so the door's sagging. But I just looked at this. It's a good ventilation. Check it out. It's going right out.
Yeah, she was running a little rich this morning. So if you guys watched our setup video, I was explaining to you that the trailer was my father's and it's a 1999. Well, it's starting to show some signs of age, guys, you know. For a 99, it's in great shape, but, you know, the door's starting to sag a little bit. No big deal. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Realistically, this trailer only needs to last me, I don't know, 3 to 5 years. We'll see how that plays out, but me and Renee may be talking about, maybe thinking about going trailerless for our next setup, just because we plan on having employees and at that time, and not everybody knows how to drive a trailer. And we're noticing for the properties we do, we may not need a trailer. I'm gonna start off at 3 3/4 inches and see what that looks like. If I don't like the look of it, I'll bump it down a little bit, but I won't go much shorter than that, because we're gonna try to keep this thing green, so let's go. So I got one pass on it so far. I am gonna go over it again. I just wanted to get my lines going. Make sure I like them. This height of cut is 4 inches. I listened to Renee. She's like, no, cut it at 4 inches. We're gonna want something to cut next week. We'll cut it any shorter, probably won't have anything to cut. So I started off at 4 inches. I'm gonna go over it again, tighten it up. We'll go to the side yard. All right, so here it is, second pass. Got it from another angle on the camera so you guys can actually see the stripes. Did my finished pass here along the mulch bed to tighten up the lines, make them look symmetrical. Pretty nice. I normally don't like cutting at 4 inches just because you don't get that carpet-like finish that I'm looking for. But in certain circumstances, you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's go over and cut the side yard now. Renee's starting to edge this all in for me. Nice job. So I normally run my lines this way. You guys can kind of see them faintly. But somebody, when they hack this lawn up, they cut this strip here. So I'm gonna try to follow their lines to make this symmetrical here, because I don't think this is going to look good going this way. So I'm going to cut it on an angle this week and see how it looks. done. Looks nice. That's the for the week. Today's edging all this up now. Make it look nice and crispy. Cut the back out now. Alright guys, so we just got home. We weren't able to cut as many lawns as we wanted to today. They're just completely burnt out for the most part. We went and checked on a bunch. So we decided to just end the day. We're going to send an email out to our customers and ask them which ones do want to mow, because we're not going to be driving around aimlessly all day long. So mostly everybody on our route doesn't need a mow. So there may be a few scragglers here and there this week. But that's going to end this video, guys. I wish I had more footage for you. But I do have a big mulch job coming up in a few days, so we'll be recording on that one. If you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That'd be greatly appreciated. And thank you guys for all the comments and feedback you guys have been giving us. It's been awesome. Keep them coming. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.